Come! Come here! You wait for him, let him come. Come and stand here. Zulfi, continue.
Master, initially on our reporting date, he kept pressurizing me that he's in love with me.
Oh!
Hey.
I told him I'm not interested because I'm laying much emphasis on my education in order to achieve my set goals and ambitions.
Master!
Master, he's plugging horns with me in the school. He's
what?
terrorizing me.
Master! Now so that you get back for measure power.
Speak English, you are not at home.
Master, she
Kulchirie, I said speak English.
Master, will you believe that he tried raping me on 3 consecutive times?
Oh, what?
Yes.
Oh!
I fled out from such a terrible ordeal, Master. I didn't disclose it to anybody because of his threat in case I let the cat out of the bag. He's tarnishing my image.
Kulchirie, I will deal with
Master, she what Kuliana Rakuni Bardan.
Master,
Kulchirie.
Master, he's tarnishing my image. He's casting a bad slur on my image that I'm a prostitute and any other guy can have an intimacy with me.
Auntie Masa, that was Auntie Masa look at our
Speak English, Kulchirie.
She Masa, now so chatty
only
the bell couple
English.
of measure.
Kulchirie, you are not at home. Speak English.
She La Masa, now so chatty the bell.
Kulchirie.
Master, he's tarnishing my image. He's tarnishing my image, and I need to draw your attention to it. That there's no iota of truth to back the rumors.
Iota, Masa, tell Masa can draw iota. Masa, I'm going
Kulchirie.
Master,
Kulchirie, keep quiet.
Master, he's one of the caliber of guys who bully the days in this school, Master.
What?
Masa, can go to no yellow calabla. Masa, you come up, Mama. Masa, I miss a drafia.
Kulchirie, what kind of human being are you?
Masa, she
Kulchirie, I will deal with you.
chatty the bell.
It's okay, you keep quiet. I said speak English.
Master, he's assassinating my character in this.
It's okay, it's okay.
Masa, no one call for Mama. Masa,
It's okay. Kulchirie, I will deal with you. Grounds perfect. Sanitation perfect. See, you want to make journalists for good 3 weeks. And after that, you read around the countries. You can now
Thank you, sir.
wait for them. You wait for them. How do you even gain admission to this college? I'm coming. Hello? Good morning, Principal. Principal, we have admitted a wrong person into this our nursing fraternity.